think that you should go to Moxi Roller Skate Camp this year. I went for the first time last year, and honestly it blew me away, and I cannot wait to go again. There are literally classes for everything your heart could dream of to learn. All of these high-level coaches that will teach you roller skating and different tricks and different styles of skating and all this sort of stuff in one location. Get access to Woodward. It is like a roller skater's paradise. You are gonna make friends. It is literally an adult sleepaway camp. You get to meet a lot of the skaters that inspire you. There's this beautiful magical element to being in the skate community in real life, in real time. There's like a whole tie-dye station. It's awesome because of the parties. When you leave, you leave with this inspiration to go and skate and to go and do things and to build things in your skate community and to keep pushing at tricks. I have not gotten that inspiration from anywhere else. I know that Moxi Skate Camp is expensive. For the amount of money you're paying, you're getting room and board, you're getting endless amounts of lessons from top tier coaches from all over the globe, and you're getting access to a world-class training facility. I think you should get some tickets. I think you should go to Moxi Skate Camp. I think it will be fully worth your while, and I hope that I get to meet you there.